Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability SIF, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoXtract EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is some of the in-depth information on our entry-level fume extraction product, the ProtectoXtract. This particular unit comes in at a very competitive entry-level price, comes with those all-important W3 rated filters, comes in at just 80 kilograms and comes in those all-important 110 and 230 volt models. In terms of filter information, this unit has a stack of 4 filters in a single filter stack within the machine. At the top of the stack you've got the gross filter, which is a G4 class filter for filtering out dusts larger than 10 microns. We then have a pre-filter that is M5 class for filtering out between 1 and 10 micron dust. This includes fibres and hairs. You then have a F7 carbon filter which filters out bacteria, germs and oil, and of course the all-important F9 filter which filters out the metallic oxide smoke from the welding process. In terms of spark protection, this comes included with the base model. This is a retrofitted spark protection kit which helps reduce the risk of fire from welding sparks and of course allows the unit to be used for extracting grinding dust and fume. In terms of extraction efficiency, the extraction arm allows this system to extract smoke and dust from up to 300 millimeters away from the source of the contaminant. It has a fully adjustable flow with a valve on the hood, and it has an inbuilt pressure alarm system to warn the user when the filters need replacing. In terms of what suitable processes this can be used for, this includes MIG, TIG and MMA standard welding. It can be used on plasma and oxyacetylene, but you will need to remove the pre-filter and replace it with gross filters instead. And of course with that retrofit spark kit, it allows you to extract non-flammable and non-explosive dust like you can see in the video attached. If you'd like more information on the large range of extraction that we offer, you can see our separate videos for high volume, high vacuum and high volume fixed extraction, as well as our wide range of downdraft extraction benches.